solution. Anna's aunt Arundhati was sitting in an armchair. Anna's face was red with anger. She pouted her lips and said, "That naughty boy, he overturned my boat." She said, "Don't worry, I will make another one for you." Aunt Arundhati tried to console her. "What if he takes that one too?" "Okay then, I will make a few more for you." "What if he takes all of them?" "No, he won't. I will make a few for him as well." "But why should you make pots for him? He seems to be a poor child." "Then why can't he make them himself? He is so big." "Maybe no one has taught him how to make pots." "Why? Doesn't he go to school? He is so rude." Aunt Arundhati just smiled.